What up, design champions? Welcome to the new show titled Making Design Stuffs. Yeah, I'm glad with your host, me. I'm glad you made it. I missed you a lot. Today, what we gotta make is, number one, I've heard a lot about a daily logo prompt where you sign up and then they send you an email to your inbox. Today will be one of 30. Getting down and dirty. You look a little flirty. Okay, and then after that, you know what else we need? Yeah, you guessed it. That's right. We need a little intro for making design stuff. Is that what it's called? Yeah, making design stuffs. Let's get started. At the joint, 30 days of logo challenges. Enter your email address. superhotguy@yahoo.com. Let's do this. Oh, this comes. It's a request from Mary Anderson. Her and I went to elementary school together. Back then, they used to call her Mary Anderson. It was like the Matrix. Hey, designer, I'm Mary, the project coordinator at Space. We're so happy to have you work on our logo design. Space is building co-working offices so that freelancers and small startup companies. Let's zoom in. Have a stunning office to work out of without paying the big bucks to buy or lease a large building. Oh, that'd be great. We offer rentable offices for teams of 1 to 12 in beautiful areas. For the Space logo, we want to capture the idea of a personal, modern, and fun shared office space. We would be open to some kind of icon or using the text space to represent the company. We don't have any requirements in terms of colors, text, icon, or otherwise. Have fun with some ideas. And just like that, I was off to the races. Paces, Sweet Bacardi, Aces, dude, something. That's a Lana Del Rey song. I went through and found a bunch of typographic faces that I liked. I wrote out some initial ideas. One of them was to do something interesting with the space, which ultimately I went for. My idea here is that all the letters are really cramped. So it could be like the tagline is, you need, and then the logo is space, cramped space. It's kind of ironic because the place gives you more space than your little overpriced apartment in Koreatown, Los Angeles that costs you an arm and a leg. And you don't have a room, you just have a living room. That's okay though. It's a nice place. So here I rounded the edges of space, cause when you just leave fonts, regular fonts, it seems, pretty domestic. It's not like customized as much as you could have. So I like rounding edges of fonts to both make it mine and to make it a little bit more friendly. And this one, part of the assignment was to make it fun too, so I think rounding it makes it a lot more fun. Originally, I had the overlap spaces between the letters were different colors. They were kind of similar colors, but they weren't the same. So what I actually ended up doing was going back to Illustrator and changing the overlap colors to all be the same and a little bit darker, so that when I worked with them in Photoshop, the difference between the letters and the overlap spaces would be higher contrast. I came up with like 4 or 5 different color options. It took me a while to get to this one. I don't know if I'm in love with the kind of, it's almost like a 3D look, but it's not as much. It's kind of like a bevel and emboss look, which is kind of amateur, but I think in this way it looks super good. I don't know. Let me know what you think. This was my first logo for the 30 logo day challenge. Hey, do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Also, you can follow me on the Instagram because I'm gonna post all my stuff there. Yeah, I'm gonna walk you through my plan. First off, the MAKING is gonna come in from the left to right first, and the SFFUTS is gonna come in from the other way. So it's gonna come in from like left to right and right to left, and I don't know what's gonna happen to the design. Maybe the design will come in left and right at the same time and meet in the middle, and then maybe it'll start on white background, and then yellow will kind of come in at a wavy style across from top left to bottom right. And while that's happening, making design stuff will get a black outline that will be interesting. And then after the yellow's taken over, then the pink will, then I'll have a pink come in from the right and cover all that. I think the blue, the yellow, and the pink will be really good, but the black outline will set it all off. And while that's happening, the edges of all the blue letters are gonna like change. They're gonna freak out because I'm just gonna make like different stuff. So I'm gonna get going and do that right now. So let's see how that goes in the end. And then after all that's done, we need to have some really like, I really want either some whimsical, classy music that makes it kind of fun and lighthearted, or I really want some like Dead Mouse kind of trip hop stuff that has a crazy breakdown of beat and gets really lit. So I'll think about that later. All right, I might have to struggle a little bit making GIFs, but we'll see. The first thing is planning. When you're making something as an animation, make sure you plan out first. So I have a tentative plan, and that's very important moving forward. Okay. Holy cow, this is the littest intro in the entire world. Hey, what's up? My name's Zimri. Welcome to Making Design Stuff. Hit 'em.
Hello. Gorgeous.
Oh, that's so good. The corgi gets a different hat. It's a different color. And then there's just a random ear.
Hello. Gorgeous.
Oh, it's so dope. Yeah, so thanks for spending your time with me. And also, check out every weekday at 8 a.m. for a new episode of Making Design Stuffs with your host, me. I used that again earlier, but whatever. I'm not very creative. And of course, we're starting this awesome design club that I've been thinking about way more and doing a lot more things for. So if you want to check that out, go to rtweak.com. The links in the bio. Links in the description below. If you want to go check that out, pre-sign up. Okay, we're trying to get as many people together as possible, and then we make the thing, and then it's awesome. I can't even tell you all the features that I want to get your ideas on. A lot of them are on the website right now, but there's actually a number of cool ones that haven't been explained yet. I'll make a video sometime. I promise. Okay. See you later tomorrow morning. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you've never subscribed to me before. It's a new experience. It's time to try new things. Okay. Okay. I'll see you later, alligator. Bye.